Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Longacre Elementary School in Farmington, Michigan, home of the Leopards, right outside the main office and entrance. Just got done sharing my heart. Been here now the most out of any school in Michigan over the last 6, 7, probably 8 years. So it's always an honor to get to speak in my home state, but also very close, to my backyard, basically, right? And so today's focus was on perseverance and having a growth mindset. And perseverance basically means not giving up. It means just choosing not to quit, making a conscious choice every day to just keep going, right? To always do our best. And that's why I wear this shirt for this particular program. It says, keep your head up. The words are upside down on purpose. Because if you're feeling sad or looking down, it's a reminder to keep your head up and to always think positive no matter what. And we know that challenges are gonna happen, right? Life's gonna happen, difficult things are gonna come our way, but we still always can make that decision if we choose to overcome that and know that those are opportunities to make us stronger and better because of it. And the students really got that today. There's a lot of pin drop moments through the different interactive exercises, some of the powerful videos, the music at the end of each presentation, and just some of the picture slides to reinforce some of the stories. It was really just all intertwined to hopefully impress upon their hearts, this idea that, we can fail again and again and again, and it doesn't make us a failure. We can make a mistake again and again and again. It doesn't make us a mistake, right? It just means that we're learning something new, that we're trying something. And if we give up, then we have no chance for success, right? So the whole idea is that we don't quit, that we, keep striving each and every moment as much as humanly possible to give our greatest effort, right? That's all the adults in our life, the teachers here at this school really want from each of the students, especially, is to just keep trying, right? And we might not get it the first time, right? We might have to try a different way to finally get it, but we keep pushing. We keep pushing until we do. And we know that the comfort zone is a dangerous place to be, so we're gonna try to create this healthy habit. The person we're gonna talk to the most in our life is ourselves. We don't wanna be telling ourselves something negative, but something positive, right? Whatever you tell your brain, your heart, it's gonna believe. We'd rather have it be something positive in nature. And so from that aspect, right, I love this sign that they have right here. It's talking about in 2026, I hope to, and hopefully try new things, right? To get us out of that comfortability, and that's where we really start to grow, right, with this growth mindset. So they're talking about that they hope to learn to swim, to try new foods, to read more, to create art, to make new friends, to go to the library, and the list goes on and on and on. And that's what I really hope that they would get from the talks that I gave here today is this overall outlook that whatever we want to do, we can do it, right? We can do anything if we believe it. And if we go into something and think that we're, already going to lose, or we think that we're not going to be able to do it, well, then we're probably going to be right? But if we go in with this visualization that we have this moment each and every day to keep getting better with the little things or the bigger things, then all of a sudden, we don't just become better for ourselves, but we become better for each other, right? And it's this idea of changing our mindset, changing our words, how we speak to ourselves, but also how we treat and respect the people around us. And hopefully the more that we believe in ourselves, the more that we keep trying new things, we're going to inspire those that we interact with to want to do the same, right? To motivate the people around us to be better, to lift them up higher than ourselves, that we rise by lifting others as the leaders, as the Longacre Leopard leaders. So thank you again, though. A beautiful day. I love coming back each and every year, usually to kick off the new year, as we did here in 2026. But hopefully something did touch your heart. If it did, keep sharing your hearts, keep shining that light. And as always, can't wait to see you again. But until then, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.